Hi, I am your virtual guide from CJX Studio. Today, I will be showing you how to create your own realistic talking AI avatar using free tools. Totally beginner friendly. If you're ready, let's get into it. So for the first step, we need to create an image. And for this, we're going to be using ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and paste in your prompt. If you don't have a prompt, you can ask ChatGPT to create or generate a prompt for you based on what you like. Okay? So I already have a prompt which I'm going to go ahead and paste. And I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. Okay? Right. If you like to see the prompt that I used, let me know in the comment section and I'll drop it for you. So we just wait for ChatGPT to create our image for us and then we go to the next step. So our image is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Download the image and save it in your gallery. Now that we have our image, the next step is to get our audio. You can use sites like this one called 11 Labs to generate an audio file. Here, you can clone your voice, you can generate your audio with the preset voices, or you can design a new voice entirely. It's up to you. So let's say we want to design a new voice entirely. You come to these three marks, you click on voices. It takes you to this place where it says voice design. Click on voice design. And then here you put in the prompt, how you want the voice to sound. So we're just going to delete this prompt here. And then we're going to paste in our own prompt. So I said, I want the voice of a young, educated African woman. Sounds calm and natural. And then I'll say, not robotic. So we don't get that AI sounding voice. And then we click on generate. So it's generated three voices for us. Let's play and listen to them.
The night air carried whispers of betrayal, thick as London fog.
The night air carried whispers of betrayal, thick as London fog. I adjusted my cufflinks. After all, even
The night air carried whispers of betrayal, thick as London fog. I adjusted my cufflinks. After all,
So that's it. What you do now is you decide on the voice you like. Let's say we are going for voice 3 and then we click on select voice. Then it tells you to name the voice. Let's say we want to name her Lara. So our voice is now called Lara. And then you just click on save voice. Africans. So we just click on save voice. And now we have our own voice. So you can play around the site and see what you can do or what voice you can generate for your audio. For me, I'll be using a voice note I recorded directly on my iPhone because I want my AI to sound more like me. Now to the last part. Here now we want to animate our image. We're going to be using Hedra.com. When you click on Hedra.com, sign up for a free account. On your free account, you get 300 credits. However, once the 300 credits is exhausted, you will have to go on the paid plan. So here we're going to click on video and it brings us to this page where it says create a video with character 3. So here what we're going to do, we're going to upload our image where we see character written and then our audio where we have the audio script. So we're going to go ahead and upload our character. So you can create an image, you can capture an image, or you can upload an image. We are going to be uploading an image. So it wants you to consent. So yeah, it's my data. Consenting. So you choose a file or your photo library. So choosing a file. Next, we're going to upload our audio file. So on Hedra, you're not allowed to do more than 20 seconds of audio on the free plan. So our audio is within the specified length. We just have 16 seconds plus, so we are good. So I'm going to say remove background noise, and then I'm going to say add to video. So before we start creating our video, we have to prompt our video just to say what we want the character to do. So we say character talking and looking, maintaining eye contact. So now we're going to generate. So it says there are 15 generations in the free queue, free wait time 30 minutes. So that's the downside of being on the on the free plan. So we're just going to say continue, and then we just have to wait for our video to generate. Now our video is ready. Let me play it for you guys so you can see and listen. Hi, I am your virtual guide from CJX Studio. Today, I will be showing you how to create your own realistic talking. Not bad, right? Cool. So it's your turn. Go ahead, follow these simple steps and create your own talking avatars for your business, for your faceless YouTube channel, and whatever, even for fun. Okay? And we have come to the end of this video. If this video has brought you any value, please consider to like, share, and subscribe, and let's build this community. Until my next video, take care.